This 2019 Forest River Surveyor Legend 201 RBLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 24 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stovetop burner, awning, LP detector, DVD player, refrigerator, skylight, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, oven, water heater, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Forest River Surveyor Legend 201 RBLE is 4,158 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.